Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a dirty pour on an 8x20 canvas. Colors I'm using are black and white, Lucas Indigo, Lucas Steel Blue, I love this color, Soho Silver, and this is a mix of Grumbacher Prussian Blue with Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. So it makes a beautiful iridescent blue, darker blue. It just dries so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do probably 3 cups on this one. And we're just going to pour at random. No rhyme or reason. Okay, so let's do 3 this size that will probably fill to here, so we don't have too much paint. I'm going to go ahead and spray with my WD-40 silicone spray, and that just releases the paint. I do not have my AC on. I have a fan running. I did get my new AC unit today, which is September 11th, and I did not hook it up yet because I want to make sure that we get through the storm first. You never know. You know, we may blow windows out, I don't know. But I want to be on the safe side. So I'm going to start with some black. I've already been looking for plastic to cover all of my canvas, so if the windows blow out, they won't get wet. And then I'm going to follow that with silver. Then we'll do the indigo. And then the Artist Loft and Grumbacher mix. And some white. And I want to do it again. Not a lot of black though. Yeah, this steel blue is really pretty with the silver. Reminds me of faded out denim. And that's it. Let's give them just a tiny little swirl. So we have about maybe 18 ounces of paint, which is more than enough. We could probably get away with about 12 ounces on here. So I'm going to just pour at random. That Prussian blue is beautiful already. It just sticks right out. It's like, hello. My third cup is always my placement cup. I like to see where the colors are going, and I look to see what's coming out next so I know where to put it. So this one's very dark. So I'm going to run off the edge and bring in. And we always use it up on a corner. Okay. I like this here. I'm going to give it a quick torch just to get the bubbles out. And we're going to start tilting. I like that gob of black there, so I'm hoping that something will come up when we stretch it out. I just have a thing for blue paintings. A lot of my viewers are always like, another blue one. But, you know, it's fun to play with all the shades of blue. It's not so much fun to play with all the shades of green. I've tried it. Some of them just don't go together. Same with pinks and reds and coppers, and you have to have the right colors next to each other to look like your painting has a beautiful composition to it. Otherwise you can end up with muddy spots, and you know, if it's happened to me, I admit it. You know, I don't have perfect paintings all the time. If I did, I wouldn't have to make so many. But this is definitely a stress relief for all of us, right? So I'm kind of happy where it's at right now. Got some caterpillaring going on. I've got cells coming up through other colors, but I want to wipe my hands and I want a torch. I've never done one all blue like this with the black. And it looks like I lost a lot of the silver. There is a little bit here and in that corner. I'm hoping that it's going to show up. So let's see what happens when I torch it. I do get most of my cells when I pour the cup. So some mornings I get up and their cells are like, ooh, where'd they come from? They like to pop up after. And that's probably because I do leave a little more paint on my canvas than most people do. I don't like to stretch too much. And I dry mine very slow so they don't crack. But I really don't like the texture of canvas showing if I can get away with it. I'm happy with that one. It's just so pretty. So this is this edge. Let's pull back. Now we have a little bit of interesting things happening there in that steel blue. So let's see what goes on with that tomorrow. And then I have some caterpillaring over here. And some pretty cells coming up through and in with the black. So yeah, I like it. And I've got some pretty skins. I can go ahead and maybe pull a couple tiles from that. So that's it for that one. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on the bell next to the subscribe button. Shop with us on Amazon for all your supplies. If you're interested in paintings or jewelry, shop with us on Etsy. Get your Stone Coat Art Coat resin, $30 off an $80 order. The code is below. It's CWA all in caps. And the link to the website is there as well. We have a fan mail box, that is there. And Redbubble for prints. We have so much going on. But thanks so much for watching, guys. And we will see you soon. Bye now.